We spend most of our lifetime in closed rooms. In the case of poor ventilation in the rooms, our comfort decreases substantially, even if we often do not pay attention to that. Our vitality and ability to concentrate may be significantly impaired. Fatigue and apathy are increasing. Mostly the reason for this is our brain hypoxia, resulting from lack of fresh air. We can effectively prevent that by installing a modern and energy-saving ventilation system. It will ensure constant access to fresh air irrespective of the season and weather. The house presented here is provided with the VENTIFLEX mechanical distribution ventilation system that cooperates with the Ground-Therm ground pipe heat exchanger, fulfilling the function of the ecological air conditioner. The above set reduces to minimum the energy consumption needed for heating or cooling fresh air that is delivered to the building. In summer, the hot air passes through the ground heat exchanger and is cooled from 30-something degrees Celsius to approximately 18, and when distributed inside the building, it creates pleasant, comfortable and healthy climate in it, even on the hottest of days. The suitable filters catch insects and dust from the supplied air. The air supplied in this way is free of excessive humidity, which significantly increases comfort even on the hottest days. At the same time, the air is not over-dried, as is the case when the standard air conditioners are used. Moreover, the cool obtained this way is practically free. It is supplied by Mother Earth. In winter, before entering the building, the cold air is initially heated in the ground heat exchanger pipes to approximately 0 degrees Celsius or above. We obtain the additional free heat in this way. From the ground heat exchanger, the air is directed to the air handling unit that is the heart of the entire system. It is in it where, owing to the heat exchanger located there, occurs heat recovery from the waste air that is discharged from the building interior. In this way, the air entering the building achieves nearly room temperature, in other words, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Its further heating requires only very low energy input. This solution ensures that we always have fresh air inside the building without the need to open the windows and with very low heating costs. Moreover, we get rid of mold on walls that is a frequent problem occurring in well-insulated buildings with tight windows and equipped only with the natural ventilation that is typical of ventilation chimneys. In the case of newly built houses, installation of the mechanical ventilation system with heat recovery is the condition necessary for the building to be energy-saving, functional and comfortable. To ensure correct operation of the ventilation system, it is necessary to correctly distribute air inside the building. It is extremely easy to achieve that by using the VENTIFLEX modular system. The system consists of the main ducts with which the air from the air handling unit is supplied to the manifolds. From there, using the VENTIFLEX flexible ducts, the air is distributed to individual rooms via the plenum boxes connected to the diffusers or ventilation grills. The VENTIFLEX ducts are equipped with a smooth, anti-static internal layer with an addition of silver agent to prevent the development of fungi, molds and bacteria, causing big problems in any ventilation systems. The VENTIFLEX system fittings, protected also with silver coating, have the modular construction. Using only 10 basic elements, you are able to construct practically any type of manifold or plenum boxes. Such a versatile solution gives you a lot of freedom in running the ducts inside the building. The VENTIFLEX ducts, manifolds and plenum boxes that supply air on the ground floor can be located in the extruded polystyrene insulation layer below the floor screed, while the ones that supply air on the first floor are usually installed above the false ceiling, below the insulation layer. Small sizes of the ducts, plenum boxes and manifolds do not hinder in installing the floor heating system and make it possible to perform the aesthetic ventilation system that is practically invisible to the eye. The correctly designed VENTIFLEX ventilation system is efficient, features low airflow resistance, and is practically noiseless. You may receive the correct design from our designers or the companies cooperating with us.